Welcome everyone, this is AppTech Pro. Today we have an iPhone XR with a cracked screen, and everything still works. So I'm going to go ahead and replace the screen as well as the water seal, and as always I'm going to go ahead and start the timer, speed up the video, and show you the final result. Hope you enjoy. And we are done. So 12 minutes and 37 seconds, and we have a brand new iPhone XR, and everything works great. So if you need an iPhone repair, battery replacement, screen replacement, carrier unlock, anything to do with the iPhones, we can definitely help you. Make sure you check us out on our website, as well as Instagram, Facebook, and I'll leave all the links in the description below. And just want to thank everyone for watching the video, and until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Thanks again.